Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Applied Biochemists Yellowtrine. What is Applied Biochemists Yellowtrine? Yellowtrine granular algaecide rids pools of mustard algae outbreaks and will destroy deposits without leaving a residue. Must be used in conjunction with a chlorine shock product. Product benefits: leaves no residue. May be used in all types of pools. Swimming may be resumed several hours after treatment. Compatible with all sanitizers including bromine, chlorine, salt water, ozone, and minerals. Usage directions: initial treatment: to remove visible yellow or mustard algae on walls or floors. All dosages are for 10,000 gallons of water. Step 1. Brush walls and floor areas are affected by yellow algae accumulations. Step 2. Apply 4 ounces of Yellowtrine per 10,000 gallons, as close to the affected area as possible. For severe accumulations, double the above dosage. Step 3. Superchlorinate by adding 1 gallon of a liquid chlorinating compound or 1 pound of a dry chlorination compound per 10,000 gallons of water. Step 4. Add Applied Biochemists Prevent Plus to prevent non-metallic deposits and to maintain water clarity. Weekly maintenance treatment: to prevent the accumulation of yellow algae. All dosages are for 10,000 gallons of water. Step 1. With a water temperature over 80 degrees, add 4 ounces Yellowtrine with 1 gallon of a liquid chlorinating compound or 1 pound of a dry chlorination compound once a week. Step 2. With water temperature under 80 degrees, add 2 ounces Yellowtrine weekly and 1/2 gallon liquid chlorinating compound or 1/2 pound of a dry chlorinating compound. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.